What's up, guys? This is Judo. We got my son Weezy out in the garage with me, and we're getting ready to work on his 2017 Yamaha TTR 50. You ready? Hold on. Alright. Wow. This thing ran last year, replaced the spark plugs, and now it's not starting. So we're going to check and see if we're getting spark, and then we're going to check and see if we're getting fuel. So, alright. What are you doing right now?
What? Oh. I'm unscrewing the spark plug.
Other way.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
There you go, muscles. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Hold it up here, let me see it.
Looks way different than the new one.
Looks a little burnt. Plug it into the boot and see if we get the spark.
This way?
Yep.
Okay.
It plugged in there?
Yep.
Okay. You know how to check for spark?
What?
Alright, hold up. Do it again. Alright. I can smell gas, so pretty sure we're getting gas. Pull it out of there. Turn your key off so it don't kill your battery. You turning it the right way?
Yeah.
You sure?
It's going in.
You sure?
Yeah.
There you go. Under tight? Hold up.
I think it's on super tight.
Yep. So tight. The socket stuck on it. Okay. Now, turn the key on and try and start it again. Now it sounds like it killed the battery, right?
Yeah.
Turn the key off.
Where's the other head? Where's the... Oh.
Hold up. Now what are you doing?
Unscrewing these.
Unscrewing them?
Yeah.
I can't see what you're doing. Look at my phone. Over there. Here. What size socket are you using? What's that say?
10 millimeter.
10 millimeter? Alright. You get it? Oh, you're going the right way. Don't come out. There. Put that one out.
Nope. That whole thing came out.
Did it? Alright. Now where's your battery at?
Right here.
Okay. You gotta get that plastic cover off. Where'd that one go? Right there. Alright, get that other one off.
Whoops.
Hold it in there straight, now strip it out. Alright. Hey,
Yeah.
go over to the toolbox, find a 10 millimeter wrench. What'd you find?
This.
Okay, put that back in.
This top drawer.
Top drawer.
Oh,
Ah,
that's
look at that mess. Find one that says 10 millimeter.
last stuff in here.
So,
What?
what's that one?
13 millimeter? No, millimeter. Can't say it.
Mm-hmm. That one.
10 millimeter.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Flip it.
What?
There you go. Come on, rascals.
Almost got it. Almost got it.
Holy cow, it'll take forever. I'm falling asleep over here, dude. Got it?
Yeah.
Good. Can you get that strap off so you can pull your battery out? Pretty tough. Right?
There's our battery. There's our battery.
That's our battery. Push down on that and then pull it out. There you go. Now, we've got to finagle the battery charger on these two little prongs right here, because Yamaha hates us, and that's how they designed it. So we'll charge this overnight and come back out tomorrow and see if we can't figure it out, right?
Right.
All right. All right, grab battery. Before you do that, you got to plug it back in.
Just came off.
Come on, muscles. As well.
Yeah.
All right. There. Ouch. All right. Let's turn the key on and turn the choke on and try and start it.
Guessing not.
There we go. Ah, bummer.
First time it started up in a while. Dude, fixed it. We'll let it run for a little bit and then you can go put your gear on and go take it for a spin if you want to. All my gear?
Huh?
All my gear?
Oh, whatever you want to wear.